this cutting board broke in half. You need to glue it back together. Why not use a biscuit joiner? All right, so what is a biscuit joiner? So it is this beautiful thing right here, and it is used with biscuits. So when I say biscuits, I'm talking about these little things. All right, so think about it like this. I'm gonna put two pieces of wood together. I wanna glue them like this. Let's say I wanna make sure they're a little bit stronger, and I also wanna make sure they aren't like, you know, wonky off. I wanna make sure they stay nice and straight together. What this thing does is goes up against it, and you see that slot right there. When I push in, a circular blade is gonna come out, and it's gonna cut a groove that these biscuits fit in. Let me show you. See that groove right there. I'll do another one on this side. I'm just lining this right up on the end here. So now I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. I just gotta make sure the board is facing the same way, you know, so it was this way, so it has to be this way, otherwise the line won't work right. So let's do this real quick. All right, so now, I look at the board like that, and I take the biscuits, and it goes in here. So now when I put it with that, see, that makes sure it stays nice and flush right there. And they make different size biscuits. And based on the size biscuit you want to use, for this biscuit joiner, you have a knob right here, so I can change the setting. So 0, M, which should be 10, and then 20. So what the biscuit joiner does is it puts those grooves in there. And now you can take a biscuit, put some glue, it goes inside of there, and inside of there. And then when you put this together, your board will not only be stronger, but it'll sit nice and flush. All right, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm going to put glue along the edge, just like you would regularly for a cutting board. Make sure I put some in those grooves too. So on this end, at least in the grooves here. All right, now I take my biscuits, down in there. All right, I'll go down, and I'll go there. It goes together. All right, just like with a regular cutting board here, we'll put some clamps on it. Wet paper towel for the glue, whatever's oozing out. There you go.